Scoring position for Mark Trumbo, who grounded out to short his first time up. This one lined back up the middle. Guillen can't get it. That's into center field. Howie's going to come around to score, and the Angels are back on top 2-1 as Mark Trumbo picks up his 54th run batted in.
Boy, pretty tough pitch too for Trumbo. Purcell went inside on that one to try to prevent Trumbo from going inside out on that ball and hit that ball to the right side to advance. Howie instead gets a base hit out of it, just by Purcell and through the infield. We talked about the range of the Tigers in the infield.